it's February.
February?
Yeah. But you know what the best part of today is going to be?
What?
I have my professional videographer with me.
Yay! That's me.
Obviously, I'm not holding the camera, so you can see that I have my professional with me. So we should get some good outside the car shots, which I don't normally get, and be better than usual.
Yeah.
You know. Alright guys, we make our first pass. See what happens. Really good, but I shifted into second gear off the line. Like, it kind of scared me, and my hand was on the shifter. Really dumb. Starting off in second gear with a 1.48 60 foot. All right, guys. So we just got the first little shakedown pass done. Just a couple problems, nothing major. We had the line lock wouldn't work, so I'm guessing that I had to re-crimp a wire here for the line lock because it wasn't working, but now it is. So that was one little issue. And then the other issue was I'm not used to my finger being right here, okay? And it's my hand's super close to the shifter, okay? So when I'm here, my hand is like like this. You see this? So I got to come off more like this, raise my hand, and then come down to the shifter. Because as soon as I went this way, my hand hit it and put it into second gear. Okay, so I started off in second gear, and it still went 620. So starting off in second gear, really crappy 60 foot, went like a 149 60 foot, which has been 135. So I mean, right there, we're almost into the fives already. If I would have not hit the shifter like that. So I didn't make any changes. Everything looks really good. All the lambdas look really good. 7.7, 7.8, 7.9, 8.0, 7.9. Everything's working good. Fuel pressure's good. 6 bar of fuel pressure. It made 350 kPa. Like close to 32, 34 pounds of boost, I think, in that area. If you do the math. What else? Yeah, other than that, I short shifted it really bad into third gear. So if I can get my shift points right, not leave in second gear, and I think it'll be pretty good. So let's go make another pass and see what happens. All right, second pass. Didn't really change much, but we're just gonna try and shift a little better.
What happened, babe? Spun. The burnout looked pretty good, but then...
Well, I think that you get closer to me.
Oh.
I think I left, I sat on the trans brake too long.
Oh.
And it started building too much boost.
Yeah.
And when I left, it just spun.
I saw
Tell that
that.
it spun?
Huh?
Tell that it spun? Gotta give the Fox bodies love.
We're gonna try that one again.
Alright guys, our third pass. I lowered the tire pressure down and lowered the launch RPM a little bit. See if we can get it to launch. just got done at the track. The last pass, there was a little bit of sprinkles on the windshield of the car, so I'm not going to stay any longer and try to figure this out. I don't know what it was in the last pass. It wasn't making boost, and it just felt really doggy, so I let out of it just to make sure, you know, I don't hurt anything that might be seriously wrong. I don't know. So, but what did it look like to you, the last one?
The last one, it looked like it was gonna go, but then yeah, it kind of.
Well, that was me like letting off. But,
oh, you let off. Okay.
Yeah. So the first pass, we started off in second gear, and it went 620. So to me, that's a good thing, because that's close to what the car's fastest has ever been. 615 has been its best in the 8th mile. So starting off in second gear and going almost the same is pretty good. That means it's got potential. But and then the second pass we spun, and that was because the tire pressure wasn't right. And then the third pass, I don't know what happened. And of course, it didn't take a log. I thought I had it logging, but it didn't. So I don't know why it did that. But we'll get it back home. We'll do a compression test, make sure everything's okay. And the main thing is this was just to get it out for its first like maiden voyage, to shake it down, make sure everything's tight, nothing's falling off the car, and that it goes down the track. So I wasn't expecting much. I mean, for it to go 620 is pretty good. So,
Yeah.
But
That
anyway,
was
yeah.
I think it was good for the first time out on the track. It did good.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. I have to, like I said, go over everything, check everything, make sure. I don't know. I just felt like it didn't make any boosts.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will check you later.